Thank you. You fulfilled my dream of doing this challenge. Winning and losing doesn't matter when we're talking about food.
So spicy, oh my god, I can't handle. क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं ये challenge यार?
I am 100% sure both of my mammas they're going to mention.
It's too spicy, man. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and today I have Vrinda
Again.
And welcome back to another episode of 23 Days with Mohini. You guys loved the no thumb challenge with her, so we thought let's do one more. And today, what are we doing?
We have simply destroyed our Maggie. That is what we have done, and that is what we're after destroying the Maggie, we're destroying our stomach now.
So we are going to have this super spicy Maggie which we have made ourselves. We have not got those spicy noodles. Instead we thought कि हम इसमें खुद अपने हिसाब से मिर्ची डालेंगे जिसको हम बढ़ा और कम कर सकते हैं, of course. So now before like start eating this, just see a flashback of हमने इसमें क्या क्या डाला है.
Ta-da!
2 packets of Maggie, 2 packet Maggie masala, 4 hari mirchis and lots of chili flakes.
Oh no!
2 spoons of piri piri sauce. Oh my god, this is going to be like hell spicy. So this is chili oregano. Oh my god.
Oh my!
This is the
Worst.
green chili. Oh my god, this is going
Let's
to be
put
like
one
super
spoon of
spicy. Are you? I guess one is fine. This is like so spicy. I can already smell it. So now, as you know, हमने इस मैगी में क्या डाला है? You can see it's going to be like super spicy, and I cannot handle spicy food, and so is Vrinda.
I got lost in my Maggie.
But let's start.
Achha.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited, but there is no time limit this time. Right?
Yeah, okay, there's no time limit. Let's eat aram se. Oh my god. Let's take the first bite together. Cheers.
Oh, but this is very tasty though.
जब ये मुंह में गई थी पहले I didn't, मतलब मुझे लगा ही नहीं इतनी मिर्ची है, but
मेरे लिप्स पे लग गई यार शुरू में ही.
oh god. But the challenge is ना कि हमने इसको finish करना है.
I can do it.
I can't.
I will eat hers also.
That's a lie. So spicy. How are you saying that you will eat mine also?
It's spicy, but it's very tasty.
Oh my god, oh my god.
You have to eat these green chilies also.
No. Green chili का flavor आ गया मैगी में. We're not gonna eat it अलग से also. Which reminds me, हम oregano डालेंगे.
मैं लेके आऊँ?
हाँ, yeah. This is a lie, you guys. Vrinda won't complete the Maggie, I'm sure.
यार मुझे क्या आपने मॉमर किया?
कुछ भी नहीं.
आपने मेरे को मैगी डाली है ना?
नहीं.
Oh yes yes.
No.
अगर आप मेरे दोस्तों को बता रहे थे इसमें यहाँ पे मैगी डाली है ना? मुझे कि मारो.
नहीं, मैंने कुछ और बोला. आपके बारे में बोला, पर मैगी नहीं डाली.
क्या बोला? क्या बोला है? अरे बताओ मुझे.
क्या आप खत्म कर नहीं पाओगे?
अरे मैंने डाली तो मुझे आपने इसमें डाल दी है.
हमें आपकी कैसे मैंने नहीं डाली.
मुझे
oregano डाल. Like hell spicy, and अब इसमें oregano डालने वाले हैं क्योंकि हम पहले डालना भूल गए. हम मिर्ची डालने में इतने बिजी थे कि हमें याद नहीं रहा कि we like oregano in the Maggie.
वही छोटू है.
ये ठीक है. बस बहुत सारा नहीं, बस. Oh my god, oregano में इतना सारा. हाँ, guys, I won't be able to eat this Maggie.
I will be. There are 2 things. 1, I love Maggie. 2, I love spicy food. So this challenge is fine, people.
I think she only agreed to do this after the thumb challenge.
I think I'll get to eat Maggie.
Oh, I thought you will say because I think you will win.
Oh, no. Winning and losing doesn't matter when we're talking about food.
In the no thumb challenge also we did a Maggie challenge and usme Vrinda.
You don't have to mention it. You don't have to mention it.
So I'm not mentioning it. I'm like placing a question right here. They can go watch the thumb challenge to see. No thumb challenge actually. This is so spicy. Oh my god, I can't handle. क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं ये challenge यार?
आप तो खा लो ऐसे बातें करते करते कि नहीं कर सकती नहीं कर सकती। आधी कर दी प्लेट। दिखाना मेरी प्लेट में कितनी सारी बची है। अपनी प्लेट दिखाना।
भाभी फिर जीतेगा कौन? जो गिव अप नहीं करेगा? अगर दोनों ने खा ली दोनों जीत गए। ठीक है, आपने हरी मिर्ची भी खानी है।
क्यों?
ऐसे
क्या थोड़ी होता है?
हाँ, too spicy man, too spicy.
Yeah.
Cannot have it. मैं गिव अप कर दूं?
नहीं यार।
I have no adjectives to explain.
Does you like spicy food?
I hate spicy food. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna curse myself that why have I done this challenge? Why? Why have I done this?
क्या लगे ना?
AC चल रहा है, मैं फिर भी इतनी गर्मी लग रही है इस टाइम पे because it's all because of the spices.
अब इस मैगी थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है।
मैगी ज़्यादा होती? स्पाइसी मैगी ज़्यादा होती है कि इसमें मैगी ज़्यादा होती है?
Spicy मैगी।
Oh my god, I don't know why she's so happy eating this Maggie. Why?
I am 100% sure both of my mammas they're going to mention तेनू तो मिर्ची वाला खाना खिला दो। मतलब मुझे पक्का पता है मम्मा दोनों बोलेंगी।
भाभी का फेवरेट लेट नाइट स्नैक है मैगी मैगी मैगी। उनको रात को उठा के 2 बजे बोलो उठो, उठोगे देखें मूवी? नो, उठोगे मैगी खाए? हाँ।
और फिर मैं क्या करती हूँ?
मैगी खाए और साथ ही स्लीप। मतलब शी वोंट सिट। अगर हमने ये कह दिया ना कि अच्छा चलो लेट्स वॉच अ मूवी एंड ईट मैगी, शील वेक अप, जब तक मैगी बन रही है, मैगी बन गई, खा ली, उसके बाद शील स्लीप अगेन, शी वोंट सी द मूवी स्टिल विद यू। आई कैन नॉट स्पीक, माय फेस लाइक
हाँ, your face is actually red.
is it? Oh my god. It's almost equal. I cannot eat these हरी मिर्ची। I'm gonna take it on the side. ये रही मेरी हरी मिर्चियाँ, क्योंकि इसका फ्लेवर तो आ गया है।
No, you will have to eat the हरी मिर्ची।
No, no.
दोनों में से जो एक हरी मिर्ची खा लेगा वो जीतेगा।
अगर एक एक दोनों ने खा ली फिर आप बोलोगे जिसने 2 हरी मिर्ची खा ली वो जीत जाए।
हाँ।
ठीक है, आप खा लेना। I तो I'm not even gonna take a risk to eat that हरी मिर्ची। I can't. धुआं निकल रहा है।
I think जो छोटी हरी मिर्ची होती है ना वो ज़्यादा तेज होती है।
छोटी वाली हरी मिर्च जिसके हमने 2-2 पीस करके डाले हैं। भाभी let's end this challenge. Let's just agree कि आप जीत गए। Let's make another stack of Maggie without spices. You wanna complete the challenge? खाती हूँ फिर मैं भी। Oh my god, this is too spicy, man. Too spicy. I'm very sure this is like more spicy than those ramen के जो आते हैं spicy.
I have watched those videos where people make homemade spicy Maggies और मुझे लगता था कुछ नहीं होता। मुझे लगता था रामेन ही बेटर होती है क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली में स्पाइसी होती है। पर नहीं, मैं गलत थी.
When I talked to भाभी कि हमने ये करना है,
एक सेकंड. Thank you. You fulfilled my dream of doing this challenge.
भाभी love watching these type of food videos.
Oh, once I'll tell you what happened. I like watching food videos. So, once,
3 hours later.
So once I was watching this tandoori chicken food video. So what happens there is somebody on the screen and they're eating tandoori chicken. This is what this is what was happening on the video.
Like you're watching us eating Maggie.
Yeah. And I was lying down like on my side and I was watching the video. This is a little weird, but I did not realize while I was watching the video the entire time there was saliva dripping down my mouth.
Oh my god.
I was craving it so much, and then the next minute I was on my way to my favorite / my father's restaurant, Golconda, and that is the best tandoori chicken there.
I think please let's go after doing this Maggie challenge. Let's go and have that tandoori chicken because I need something good in my tummy after this, man. Huh? Let's go after this. I am about to finish my Maggie. I am Haran. How am I able to finish this?
Because
Oh my god.
because
It's too spicy, man. I can feel something in my stomach abhi se.
good.
Not good, but some जैसे जलने वाला. Like my body from inside is burning. Oh my god, अभी तो हरी मिर्ची साइड पे निकाल दी है.
Big bite bro.
Big bite. खत्म हो जाएगा big bite में. Last bite, most probably.
But honestly, wasn't it tasty?
If it wasn't for the challenge, I wouldn't have eaten it. What about you? You would have? Done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's treat ourselves now. Before doing the outro, let's eat rasgullas. Show them the rasgullas, no? I need one more. Oh my god, today is going to be such a cheat day, no?
बस अब क्या खाएंगे?
Nom.
Thanks, Moji,
Thanks, Vrinda,
for having me, Moji.
for shooting with me, Vrinda.
For making me eat this tasty Maggie, Moji.
I'm not thank you for making me eat this Maggie. Oh my god. My throat is hurting. Like literally, I'm not acting, you guys. It's this thing, all of my body is like burning. My throat is hurting.
Nothing is happening to me. Maybe in the morning, you never know.
Oh my god. I'm not in a good state to even shoot the outro right now. Do you want to do it for me today, please?
Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and share with all of you all people. And hi, I'm Mohit. I make videos for fashion, travel, lifestyle, YouTube, DIY and a lot more. Okay?
Bye guys. Hope you're catching up on all 23 videos. I can't say much after eating this, so bye bye. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye!